One of the top sewing machine mistakes I usually see is winding the bobbin. I see a lot of this, putting the bobbin on, clicking it over, and then wrapping it around and starting winding your bobbin. That's not gonna work, and let me show you why. You will always end up with problems like that. The right way to do it is find the hole. You go from inside to outside that hole. See how that looks? The thread should be going into the inside of the bobbin and then coming out. Then you're gonna put it on the spindle, click it over, and while you're loading the bobbin, you're gonna keep tight hold of this thread. Now it's really wrapped around and it's tight. Then you're gonna come with your scissors, get really close to it. Now you're ready to finish winding your bobbin the correct way, and it won't cause you any problems when you're sewing later.